PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional commercial air duct cleaning services in Reading, PA, helping businesses maintain cleaner indoor air and healthier work environments. Our expert team uses advanced equipment to remove dust, debris, and contaminants, improving HVAC efficiency and supporting better air quality for employees and customers. If you have any questions, please contact our commercial air duct cleaning service. Are you looking for a commercial air duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is air duct cleaning important for businesses? Clean air ducts help maintain healthier indoor air, reduce allergens, and improve HVAC efficiency, which can lower energy costs and create a more comfortable environment for employees and customers. Is commercial air duct cleaning safe? Yes, when performed by trained professionals using proper equipment, it is a safe and effective way to improve indoor air quality and HVAC performance. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial air duct cleaning have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Verneville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Warnersville, Moncton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Boundstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania commercial air duct cleaning office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.